Are your salespeople tired of getting think-it-overs? After time and resources are put into a presentation, do they end up feeling like an unpaid consultant? Do you worry about hiring salespeople who don't actually sell? We invite business owners, presidents, CEOs, and leaders who are serious about achieving best-in-class sales growth to join us for an executive briefing. These candid sessions will challenge your beliefs about professional selling. This thought-provoking workshop is designed for those who are searching for solutions to the business obstacles they face when trying to sell, manage a sales team, and grow their business. We explore the concepts of traditional sales, and if what your sales team is doing now is meeting your expectations. Are your salespeople closing enough business? Are they trusted advisors or vendors? We also take a look at the prospect system for buying, their motivations, fears, strategies, and decision-making processes when making a purchase for their company. This is an interactive session where everyone contributes. Be prepared to discuss real-world sales situations and discover how you and your sales team can differentiate yourselves from the competition. We cover common issues like the tug-of-war that happens between the salesperson and the prospect fighting for control of the sales process, how to avoid prospects using your proposals to negotiate better deals with their existing supplier, no-pressure prospecting and how salespeople can build trust from the first interaction with a potential client, how to avoid wasting time preparing proposals that won't win any business. This is not a sales pitch for Sandler. Yes, we will talk about Sandler's unique approach to business development. You'll learn our 7-step system for successful selling and advanced sales strategies that enable salespeople to quickly and consistently identify, qualify, develop, and close more sales opportunities. At the end of the workshop, we'll ask you if you'd like to have a more meaningful conversation. If your answer is no, here's our promise: we won't call you. We're happy for you to walk away with some tangible material you can implement back at your office. If you'd like to continue the conversation in relation to your specific challenges and goals, we'll set up a no-pressure meeting to exchange some information, and at the end you can decide if we're a fit. We'll be honest, we're not a fit for everyone. But if your company has lofty goals and is lacking a roadmap to success, join us for our upcoming workshop and find out what you need to do to make it happen.